Just kidding, dinosaurs are extinct animals. Today, we are doing a Lego video, plus the dinosaur was made of Lego. I'm just gonna disintegrate it. Anyway, I just disintegrated the dinosaur and check it out, a small helicopter. So, you can make these at home. So this helicopter will be our base for now. And actually, this helicopter, so we're gonna make this helicopter have a gun attached to it. So this gun is going to be able to shoot weaponry. Actually, instead of putting it on the top, we can put it on the bottom. Maybe we'll remove this fancy bit, and then, or maybe we can remove this gray bit. That's too hard to remove. I guess it will look odd without the gray bit. I just fix it like that and pew 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 pew. That looks awesome. Actually, let's just do that and pew 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 pew. That looks much better. Anyways, we can use this gun to pew 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 pew, but this helicopter is still looking weak. What else would a helicopter need? Oh yes, protection and landing gear. First, we're gonna add these things that you see on helicopters, like, these like chimney things. Wait a minute. Maybe we can just do that. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. So let's put that back. Maybe we don't need one of these. Put those. Put that. Alright. We'll put it right there. And that's looking nice and it's done. Nicely done. But what does a helicopter need next? Not just weapons, protection. We can add these small Lego plates like that. And I'll use this other plate. Oh, just remove that. Wait, this like one. Just got to do this. And then actually that's not very protective, so we can just make this armor sheet like that. And of course it's made of metal to make it really strong. And next, actually, helicopters need something that's very important. Nope. It's flight. Because they're not helicopters without flight. Because helicopters are for flying, not driving or sailing. Or going to space like rockets. So, this would be our fan. For the helicopter to fly. Have you ever seen a helicopter before? Comment in the comment sections. Have you ever seen one? And since this is a special helicopter, instead of one of these, we can use wheels to make it drive like that. Isn't that cool? Next, helicopters can't just use flight defense and armor. There's something else they need. They need a pilot. So I'm using this Lego human. Now we can just open the window like that. Now real helicopters don't need a window opening, just as you know. So we put this man like that. We sit him down in this helicopter. That is looking much better. Tell me. So now we have done our helicopter. It's not actually done, but this is how it looks so far. Now we just need one more thing. What's a helicopter? So we are making this just a special helicopter. So we are adding a tail. Now this is your helicopter. You can make at home. It's all flying. It has weaponry. It can drive. It has a propeller, and you can break it. That's all we have for today. Bye!